Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to create a professional website using Webflow, and that one is absolutely free. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open new tab in Google and just type here Webflow, and first link is display here. Webflow is an American company based on San Francisco that provide you software service for website building and hosting. Their online vision editing platform allow user to design, build and launch your own website. So just simply click on that particular link. So look at this. This is a website, get free. Click here, sign in or continue with my email address. So simply I type here my email address, continue with my email address, create a 10-digit password is mandatory. So I 10-digit password, one security code, one number and one specific character. So you should name, add here your name. So I add my name here, Research Rock. Continue, let's go. What is the best describe your role? A developer. I select entrepreneur. Do you have experience building website? Expert. What do you want build today? Economic. Simply I select the portfolio, which specific you can select as per your choice. Wait couple of seconds. Some watch video here, you can watch this video and launch your personal website also. So simply website, one tab, mobile and horizontal mobile, landscape mobile. So I simply select in laptop, and here some basic elements is there, layout basic. Here I select this one, and you can use those features here using and design accordingly your requirement and your expectation using this one. That one is amazing. Some website features also available here, like your dashboard, what exactly website you're going on. So some templates also available here, showcase. So you can select any one template, just like simply I said go here. So here select resources, I select one template simply. So accordingly I edit and modify. So here several templates are available. Some templates is free and some template is chargeable. So accordingly I just simply browse a template here and all those things particular. Simply I select this template, and look at this, you can use this template, access all information properly, and then you buy this template for you, and after buying this template you can modify very easily for the particular template. Otherwise you use this website features and you design your own website using these steps. Otherwise you can buy other template and edit, modify and launch your website using webflow.com. that one is amazing website. You can create your own website and launch your portfolio. I create my own personal website, so you can create your portfolio like this and publish your personal website. Create, modify day by day and publish this website. So you can create your own portfolio and publish as an online. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.